As a US tourist, you can stay in Panama for up to 180 days without a visa. After this period, however, you must leave the country, but you can return to Panama after a short stay abroad. New entry requirements for Panama involve showing that you have a valid passport that's valid for at least 3 months. Additionally, you may be asked to show proof of funds, sufficient funds that is. As well as this, you may be asked to show that you have an onward travel ticket, and we recommend getting travel insurance even though it's not mandatory. US citizens can retire in Panama through the Pensionado visa program. As well as this, you can come to Panama with a passport that's valid, but you cannot come to Panama with a US passport card, as this is not permitted. As well as this, many options for residency are available, like the Friendly Nations program and many investment options. To find out more, stay tuned for this video. Panama entry requirements for US citizens. US citizens can enjoy significant advantages when traveling to Panama. They do not need a visa to enter the country, making the process straightforward and hassle-free. Upon arrival, US citizens can stay in Panama for up to 180 days, approximately 6 months, without needing any special permissions or visas, which is a longer duration than many other countries offer. This extended stay period allows ample time for exploration, business, or leisure without the pressure of visa renewal or additional paperwork. The ease of entry and the lengthy visa-free period make Panama an attractive destination for American tourists and potential residents alike. This convenience is one of the key reasons why many US citizens choose Panama for their extended vacations or retirement plans. Panama travel requirements for US citizens. If you are a US citizen planning to travel to Panama, you will need a valid passport with at least 3 months of validity remaining. No visa is required for stays up to 180 days, making travel simple and convenient. In addition to your passport, you may be asked to show proof of onward travel, such as a return ticket and evidence of sufficient funds for your stay. Health insurance, while it may not be mandatory, is highly recommended to cover any medical emergencies during your trip. Travel tips and precautions for Panama. Carry photocopies of important documents. Keep copies of your passport, travel insurance, and any other important documents in case of loss or theft. Stay informed about local laws. Familiarize yourself with Panamanian laws and customs to avoid any legal issues. Use reliable transportation. Opt for official taxis or rideshare services to ensure safety. Stay hydrated and protect yourself against mosquitoes. Panama's climate can be hot and humid, so drink plenty of water and use insect repellent. No emergency numbers. Have local emergency numbers in hand, including for medical services and the embassy. Panama visa for US citizens. Panama offers a variety of visas for US citizens, making it relatively easy to obtain residency. Among the most popular options is the Friendly Nations visa, which allows citizens from certain countries, including the US, to obtain residency by demonstrating economic or professional ties to Panama. This visa is particularly appealing due to its straightforward application process. Other visa options include the Pensionado visa for retirees, which requires proof of a lifetime pension income, and the investor visa, which grants residency through the purchase of real estate or other significant investments in the country. These options provide flexibility for different needs and lifestyles, making Panama a desirable destination for long-term stays and relocation. Find us online at www.ndm.com.pa for easy-to-understand legal advice. Our website offers the latest legal information to keep you informed. It's straightforward, clear, and always up to date. If legal terms seem confusing, don't worry. Our website makes it simple to connect with friendly and knowledgeable lawyers who are here to help you. Facing immigration questions or business legalities, our lawyers are here to help you. We make it easy to get the legal advice you need when you need it. You need legal advice? Well, just go to www.ndm.com.pa. Panama residency visa requirements for US citizens. Panama offers various types of residency visas for US citizens, including provisional, temporary, and permanent residency options. Each type has specific characteristics and requirements. Provisional residency is typically the first step, allowing applicants to live in Panama while their long-term visa applications are being processed. Temporary residency offers a more extended stay, often for work or study purposes, and can be renewed. Permanent residency grants infinite stay and is the ultimate goal for many seeking to make Panama their home. Panama retirement visa requirements for US citizens. The Pensionado visa is particularly popular among US retirees. The visa requires applicants to demonstrate a lifetime pension income of at least $1,000 per month for a government or private pension. The Pensionado visa offers numerous benefits, including discounts on various services and goods, making it an attractive option for those looking to retire comfortably in Panama. Friendly Nations visa for US citizens. The Friendly Nations visa provides a straightforward path to residency for US citizens. Applicants can either invest a minimum of $200,000 in Panamanian real estate or establish professional or economic ties, such as starting a business or securing employment. While this visa offers a relatively quick route to permanent residency, it can sometimes present challenges due to the investment requirements or the need for employment documentation. Detailed requirements and processes can be found more in the description down below. Golden visa for US citizens. The Golden visa is another attractive option for US citizens, particularly for investors. This visa requires a significant investment in the Panamanian economy, such as real estate or business investments. The Golden visa not only grants residency, but can also lead to citizenship, providing a pathway to becoming a Panamanian national for those willing to make substantial financial commitment. Panama work visa for US citizens. In Panama, there is no specific work visa per se. Rather, individuals must obtain residency visas such as the Friendly Nations visa and then apply for a work permit separately. This process ensures that foreign nationals have legal residency before they can work in the country. The work permit is issued by the Ministry of Labour and is distinct from the residency visa process handled by the National Migration Service. To obtain a work permit, you must first secure your residency and then meet specific requirements set by the Ministry of Work. These requirements typically include proof of employment, employer sponsorship, and compliance with the local labour laws. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you've learnt many things from this video. If you want to find out more, you can go to www.ndm.com.pa to find out more information about how you can obtain residency in Panama. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you and goodbye.